My name is Shyam Iyer. I am the father of Harshit Iyer. Harshit Iyer had recently attended a one-day kids money magic workshop done by Jain Shah, and I had sent my son to this one-day program. This was the first time that he had ever gone for a training program for an entire day. I would really like to give feedback on what I saw after the program went over. After the workshop got over, I asked him towards the evening when I came to pick him from the training room. I asked him what was your learning. So he was very charged, very happy. He's in the 5th standard, and for him to sit in the training room for an entire day, I was wondering how itself is going to be a challenging task. But I was so proud to see that he was very happy. He wanted to continue the training. He wanted to share the concepts of what was taught to him by Jain, and the storytelling and all that stuff. So I said, wow, it's good that at least he's able to retain, and he was happy about the whole course. Immediately after a week, we had been for a wedding at Vashi, and it was a distant relative, so we had to be there. He was playing with my mobile, and then he was feeling very bored, so I asked him, chalo, let's go down and go to a shop and see if he can buy some toys for you. He wanted to buy a Beyblade. It's a toy, so we figured out a toy shop close to the venue. We went and he saw some 2 or 3 Beyblades, but it was not as per what he wanted because he already had those kind of Beyblades. So I said, why don't you try something else? Why don't you buy a remote car, or why don't you buy something else as a toy? He said, no Papa, I don't want, I only wanted a Beyblade and it's not there, so I will not buy it. And we walked off from the shop. For me, it was a wow moment because never ever it has happened that I go to a toy showroom and I come back without buying anything. So I asked my son, what happened? I mean, there were so many other toys and the shopkeeper was trying to sell you this and that. So what made you say no? So he immediately reflected and he said, no, I learned that in the Money Magic workshop that you have to value the money. So I said, wow, that's a powerful learning. And very often he keeps telling at home that, don't waste money. When my wife says, let's go for shopping or let's buy something, he thinks, why you're buying unnecessary things, don't waste money. So I would strongly recommend each and every parent to send your kids to this Money Magic workshop, Kids Money Magic workshop, because money as a subject is never taught in schools, unfortunately. And from the childhood, you need to get inculcated as a value, as a belief of all of money. And this workshop is fantastic. For me, it has got 100% ROI, and I would strongly recommend each one of you to nominate your sons or daughters for this workshop. Thank you.